In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change your Apple ID password even if you have forgotten it. Let's get started. If you have your iPhone with you and know the password to unlock it, you can easily reset your password directly in the settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Click on the option Sign in and Security. Now click on the option Change Password. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. You'll need to type in that. And with that, you'll be directed to this page from where you can easily create new password. Go ahead and type in the new password. Just make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a number and uppercase letter and lowercase letter. If you don't have your iPhone with you, don't worry, you can reset your password using any web browser on another device. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website account.apple.com. Enter your email address and follow these steps to reset your password. If you can't sign in, there are additional options, such as using a passkey from another Apple device like an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This method allows you to change your password even if you have forgotten it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.